Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video we are going to show you how to make turmeric, ginger and carrot achar. If you like this video, please like our video. Please like all of our videos. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell icon so you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible and comment below whether you are going to try this out. And with that said, catch you in the next one.